Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the comprehensive conclusive vocab guide by me, Anmol, in association with MAA Tutorials. We're continuing with our E letter intermediate words 50 today. Without any further delay, let's get right into it. Elaborate. Vistrit karna ya vistrit. He asked her to elaborate on the main points. Emerge. Ubharna. The truth will eventually emerge. Empathy. Sahanubhuti. She showed great empathy towards the homeless. Efficient, Saksham, he's an efficient worker and always completes tasks on time. Enormous, Vishal, the enormous building towers over the city. Evaluate, Mulyankan Karna, the teacher will evaluate your project at the end of the term. Evidence, Praman, the evidence proved his innocence. Encounter, Samna Karna, ya Mudbhed, he had an encounter with a wild animal in the forest. Element, Tattva, water is a key element for life. Eliminate, समाप्त करना. We need to eliminate all unnecessary expenses. Entourage, साथियों का समूह. The celebrity arrived with her entourage. Encourage, प्रोत्साहित करना. Teachers should encourage students to ask questions. Evasive, बचने वाला. His answers were evasive and he avoided the question. Enrich, समृद्ध करना. Reading books can enrich your knowledge. Exceed, अधिक होना. His performance exceeded everyone's expectations. Engage, संलग्न करना. He decided to engage in community service. Excuse, माफ करना. बहाना. She asked her teacher for an excuse to leave early. Elicit, uksana. The detective tried to elicit information from the suspect. Emphasize, जोर देना. The teacher emphasized the importance of punctuality. Elegant, Suruchi Purn, she wore an elegant dress to the party. Exquisite, Uttam, yeah, Shandar, the necklace she wore was exquisite. Essential, Avashyak, water is essential for life. Elevate, Uncha Karna, the new project will elevate the company's reputation. Enlist, Bharti Karna, he decided to enlist in the army. Exert, Prayas Karna, he had to exert all his strength to lift the box. Elusive, Chatur, pakad mein na aane wala. The solution to the problem remains elusive. Exaggerate, ati shukti karna. He tends to exaggerate his achievements. Badha chadha kar bolna matlab. Expand, vistar karna. The company plans to expand its operations overseas. Embrace, gale lagana. She embraced her friend after a long time. Engage, sanlagna karna. The children were excited to engage in the game. Eccentric, Vichitra. His eccentric behavior made him stand out in the crowd. Exile, Nirvasan, Nirvasit Karna. The king was sent into exile after he was overthrown. Examine, Parikshana Karna. The doctor will examine you now. Exemption, Chhoot. She received an exemption from the exam due to medical reasons. Epidemic, Mahamari, Mahamari Sambandhi. The city was affected by a severe epidemic of flu. Engage, sanlagna karna. The children were excited to engage in the game. Erratic, asthir. The weather has been erratic this week. Embrace, gale lagana. She embraced her friend after a long time. Exposure, sampark ya prakatikaran. The news article gave an exposure to the corrupt practices. Examine, parikshal karna. The doctor will examine you now. Expert, Visheshagya, he is an expert in software development. Evolution, Vikas, the evolution of the human species has taken millions of years. Kapi se bane manav. Effortless, Bina prayas ka, she solved the puzzle with effortless ease. Elevation, Unchai, the elevation of the mountain is over 10,000 feet. Empirical, Anubhavatmak. Empirical evidence supports the claim that exercise improves health. अनुभवात्मक जो अनुभव से देखा जा सके, जिसको मेजर किया जा सके, जिसका आंकलन किया जा सके. Escape, बचना, पलायन. The prisoner managed to escape from the jail. Elaborate, विस्तार से बताना, विस्तृत. You can elaborate on your plan. Can you elaborate on your plan? It's a question. Envy, ईर्ष्या करना. She felt a sense of envy when her colleague got promoted. Exclude, bahar rakhna. They decided to exclude certain members from the meeting. Exhilarating, utsahavardak. The concert was an exhilarating experience. That's that for today. I will see you in the next one.